Hello. In this video, we will learn how to conduct research about the lives of children in different countries. Your first job is to select the continent of the country you wish to research. In this case, I am choosing Africa. You will then be shown a map of the continent. On this map, select the name of the country you wish to research. I am choosing to research Nigeria. You will then be brought to the main page for your country. Scroll down and pay attention to the options on the left-hand side. Once you get to the Lifestyle section, look for the section titled Life as a Kid and begin your research by clicking there. Here you will find a short paragraph about the life of a child in this particular country. From this paragraph, you should be able to find 2 or 3 useful things to include in your description. After you have finished working with this paragraph, click on the name of the country in the navigation at the top and you will return to the main page. The next place where you will be able to find useful information is in the photo gallery. You can find a link to the photo gallery under More Features in the options on the right-hand side of the page. You will see a large variety of photos to choose from. Take a look at the images and try to find images that have children in them. Here we found 2 images at the bottom of the page that talk about rural children and school children. Let's click on one of them to find out more. When you click on the image, you will be shown a caption that describes what you are seeing. Use this caption to find out more information about the life of a child in the country you have chosen. Let's take a moment to summarize what we have learned in this video. We will be conducting research about the life of a child in a country of our choice. You begin by selecting the continent from the world map. You then choose the name of the country. Once you have arrived at your country's page, you find under the Lifestyle section, Life as a Kid. You can then return to the main page and select the photo gallery to find out more information. All of the images and information you have seen in this video have come from Culturegrams. This will be the source that we will be using for our research. This has been our video lesson about how to conduct research on the life of a child in another country. Thanks for watching.